Hi everyone! Hello! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So, kamusta kayo? So, happy weekends everyone! Happy Saturday! So, ang bilis ng panahon. Kahapon lang is Friday, then Saturday na ngayon, then bukas is Sunday na. Okay, so, kamusta kayo? Nagsimbang gabi ba kayo, guys? Ha? Okay, so, again, maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood, okay, nung aking recent upload about who wants to see you. Okay, so maraming salamat. Nababasa ko po yung inyong mga comments, okay, na resonated sa inyo yung ating reading. So, masaya po ako na resonated po sa inyo. Okay, so, ngayong araw, meron tayong bagong pick a card reading na gagawin, okay? So, disclaimer lang again, guys. Take what's resonate lang. Okay? And leave the rest. If not resonated, pabayaan po ninyo. Okay? Let it go. Okay? Kasi marami pong nanonood sa channel. Okay? So, maraming energy tayong nakukuha. Marami tayong nababasa. And reading must be vice versa, or it can be vice versa. Okay? So, guys, huwag na nating patagalin. Okay, so simulan na natin. So nakikita ninyo sa inyong harapan, we have 2 piles. Okay, so 2 piles lang po ito. This is pile number 1, tarot card and oracle card. Pile number 2, tarot card, oracle card. Okay. So ano ba yung topic natin for today? Topic natin is, will you reconcile? May reconciliation bang magaganap? Okay. And ang next na tanong natin, it is X or next? Okay. So, titingnan natin kung ano ba yung mangyayari, okay, if meron bang reconciliation between you in your ex, or you will go through new person na. Okay, so titingnan natin. Okay, so sana makita natin kung si ex ba pipiliin mo, ano mangyayari, kung kung magne-next ka ba, ano mangyayari. Okay, so sana makita natin yon. Okay, guys, again, hindi po kasi lahat mababasa natin, makikita natin ng tuloy-tuloy yung situation. Okay, nangyayari lang po kasi yon sa may personal reading. Okay, kung tuloy-tuloy. Kasi isang energy lang po yung pagpo-focusan nun kapag ka-personal reading. Okay, guys. So, this is a pick a card. So, probably mga pahapyaw lang yung makukuha natin. Pero, I will make sure na mag-resonate naman kayo doon and malalaman ninyo kung ano yung person or sino yung person na yun. Okay, so, huwag natin patagalin, start na tayo. Pile number 1, pile number 2, pili na kayo, guys. Pile number 1, with this black cat, okay, black cat keychain. And pile number 2, with this seahorse. I think this is a seahorse, black seahorse keychain. Okay, so pili na kayo, guys. Give you seconds to choose a pile, okay? Start now. Pili na kayo. Okay, guys, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, so start na tayo kay pile number 1. Itabi lang natin si pile number 2. Okay. So, pile number 1. Igigilid lang natin ang iyong oracle card. So, start tayo kay tarot card mo, pile number 1. So, if you choose the black cat, this is your reading. So, Ilalapag ko po muna lahat kasi marami tayong cards na ginamit for today. Pick a card, okay? So, ilalapag ko muna siya by group. And then, sa ako i-discuss, sa ako sasabihin ko ano yung nasa reading, okay? So, start na tayo agad. Water sign, Knight of Cups. The Emperor. Fire sign. Aries. Hierophant. Okay. First, na nakikita ko dito, it can be you are dealing, pile number 1, you are dealing with a young person or mas matanda sa'yo. Okay, so it could be a young person and an older person. Okay. Pero kasi, this card signifies that you are dealing with a person who is has a authority, okay? Has a authority, a stubborn person. Yes. This person, whether it is logical or not, he will do kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin. Okay? Kasi the Emperor is a kind of card na ano to parang stubborn siya. Okay? Stubborn siya with making decisions. Okay? So, while the Knight of Cups is a card that when it comes naman sa emotions, pwedeng this is a childlike, okay, a childlike, a young person na whether mali or tama yung gagawin niya, susundin niya kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. Okay, and gagawin niya yon. Okay, so meron tayong nakikita dito na may pagka-impulsive, okay? Pero parehas na stubborn or matigas ang ulo. May sariling desisyon. Okay, pile number 1. Hindi kino-considerate yung iba. Okay. This is the kind of person. Yung 2 cards na to. Well, the Hierophant, this is a major arcana, okay. Pile number 1. While the Hierophant is a card of a justice or alam mo yon yung parang pagkakasundo, authority, okay. Siguro, whether you, pile number 1, or this person is kailangan maging considerate, okay. If this person is a stubborn person, matigas ang ulo, a controlling kind of a person. It could be a new person, guys, or an ex, okay? Matigas ang ulo, hindi nakikinig sa sasabihin ng iba, okay? Gusto niya siya yung nasusunod, okay? Maybe, sa reading natin, sa pile number 1 is, merong dahilan siguro na ipapakita na para makipag-ayos, makipagbate, okay? And meron din ako nakikita dito siguro na maybe pile number 1, it can be you are dealing with 3 or 2 person, okay? Or sabihin na natin kasi about sa reconciliation tong reading natin okay? So, kung halimbawang makikipag-reconcile ka from the past, or ayun nga, pagkakabate, okay? So, malalaman pa natin kung ano yung mangyayari, okay? Pero meron akong dito nakikita na this is a stubborn person, an authority person. It could be, pwede itong may katungkulan. May katungkulan sa trabaho, may katungkulan sa community, okay? It can be. Meron din ako nakita dito na this person is mataas ang tingin sa sarili niya. Okay? Kaya hindi niya kayang maging considerate. Okay? Pero siguro when it comes sa emotions, this emperor signifies that he is a knight of cups when it comes sa emotions. Okay? So, ganun siya. It has to do with the authority. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Justice. King of Wands. Fire sign again. Yes. Uy. Strength. Leo. Uy. Meron akong nakuha na maybe this person this is a leader also. Meron akong nakikita dito an Aries sa Sagittarius, okay, and a Leo. Oh, okay. So, meron ako nakita dito na maybe this person, okay, is makipagbati sa'yo, okay, magkaroon ng justice between the two of you, okay, if this is your ex, okay, or if this is a new person, maybe this new person of yours will learn to be considerate, okay? Or, hindi to katulad nung before ng ex, okay? Meron ako nakikitang ganon. Meron ko sa nakikita na this is this is a masculine, a very masculine person, okay? Maybe this ex is a very, very masculine person, okay? And maybe you are dealing right now with two fire sign, and Aries or a Sagittarius, it can be. There will be a reconciliation na mangyayari. Okay. Tingnan pa natin. Uy! Three of Swords, air sign. Four of Pentacles, earth sign. Uy! Queen of Pentacles. Oh! It could be you are the Queen of Pentacles, pile number 1. Okay, a grounded person, okay. A self-employed or a businesswoman, okay. A high status also. High status also. Wealthy. Yes, an independent, a financially stable, okay. Financially stable kind of a woman, okay. Ooh. Uy, meron akong nakita dito ha. Meron akong nakita dito na if you are still holding on the past, okay. Meron akong nakikita dito na ano, na someone is still holding on from the past. Yes. Past issues, past hurt, past betrayal. Okay, meron ako nakikitang ganon. Grief. Okay. If you're dealing with two person, the other person or the new person, magkakaroon ka ng justice dito, okay? Or in order for you to have a justice from the past, o kung ano man yung nangyari sa'yo from the past, maybe you need to let go of someone or something, okay, na nangyari from the past. Meron ako nakikita dito kung sino yung babae dito, siguro gusto niya ng ano gusto niya ng peace. Meron ako nakita gusto niya ng peace or gusto niya kung sino yung feminine dito or female dito is being is a strong person, okay? A strong person, abundant kind of a person, a wealthy person also, okay? While the other person, especially or specifically, is a fire sign, okay? It's either from the past. This person is a very possessive person, okay? A very stingy kind of a person. Alam nyo guys, yung stingy kind of a person, meron kasi ako nakikita dito, yung kung sino man yung babae dito is a very abundant kind of a person, hindi madamot. Hindi madamot, mapagbigay, maalaga. Okay? A generous kind of a person, a loyal person, it has something to do na hindi siya madamot. Mapagbigay siya, mapagmahal siya. Yet, she is a strong person, okay? So, it's either, pwedeng ikaw to, pile number 1, or vice versa, yung nakikita ko. While the other person, yung masculine na to, maybe this is from the past, this person is very stingy. Okay? This is a controlling person or acting like an emperor, okay? Or a leader, but she is stingy. Yes. Pwedeng this person is not financial stable. The other person, yung from the past. While maybe the new person, you are dealing with a young person, okay? A young person na susundin kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. Okay? Ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng example. Maybe the past person is an emperor, okay, or a king of wands, okay. Kahit na king of wands siya or emperor siya, or she is acting na emperor and king of wands, this is a stingy kind of a person. A very controlling person. Holding on to something, pwedeng holding on to pentacle, pwedeng kuripot tong person na to, or wala pang financial stability, It can be ha, it can be. Meron ako nakikitang ganun. This is a possessive person. It can be the past or the present ha. While the other person is representing a Knight of Cups, okay. This is a young person. Pero kahit young siya, susundin niya kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. Either hindi logical yun. Okay. And that is the justice, okay, over is someone's heartbreak, okay. Pero kasi meron kasi ako nakikita dito, maybe the other person or you, pile number 1, is still in pain. Okay, meron ako nakikita na, na and yung iba naman sa inyo, the person from the past is the Knight of Cups, okay. And heartbreak lang yung nangyari sa'yo from the past. Kasi nga, this is a young person. And siguro, meron pa siyang kailangan i-work out sa sarili niya para mag-mature siya. Okay. And then after that, you are dealing with the Emperor and King of Wands, which is a controlling naman, kind of a person. Okay. Yes. Or maybe this Emperor or this King of Wands teach you how to teach you to budget, teach you how to handle money, okay. Or maybe this King of Wands or Emperor is, yun nga, sabi ko nga, stingy. Though she is a Emperor or King of Wands, this is a stingy kind of a person, okay. While you, pile number 1, if you are the feminine here, you are strong and independent kind of a person, and you don't need someone. You don't need someone na tutulungan ka. So, meron akong nakitang ganun eh. Kasi you're very abundant kind of a person. Okay, it's either you are an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, okay. Yes. And maybe you are, siguro nga, namimili ka between two person. Right now, okay. So, tingnan pa natin sa oracle card mo. So, first card mo, numinous mo is the numinous, mystery, okay. The unknown. Maybe, pile number 1, you have a psychic abilities also, okay. You are intuitive person, okay. Siguro someone needs to do shadow work, okay. Meron ako dito nakuha siguro na kung ikaw si Emperor or kung ikaw si Knight of Cups, pile number 1, okay. Or other way around. Meron ako nakita dito na whether you are choosing the ex or the new person, okay. Mahalaga na gawin mo yung shadow work mo if you have past issues or alam mo sa sarili mo na meron ka pang issues or heartbreak from the past, okay. Pero meron kasi ako dito nakita na ano eh. If you choose the past person, maybe it will, alam mo yon, yung kalalabasan is a heartbreak, while the other one, if you choose the other person, pagiging wise naman ang mangyayari. Okay, so yun yung nakita ko. So, tingnan natin, energy mo, energy oracle card mo is actions. Okay. So, what it means about this card, number 17, action, is this is the time to act, okay? To act, gawin ko ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin, okay? Maybe, if yun, kung kailangan mong mag-heal, heal yourself first, okay? Kasi nandito yung justice card, okay? So, kung ano man yung nangyari sa'yo before, magkakaroon na ng justice kasi yon, okay? It's either, you have many choices right now, okay? And ang kailangan mo na lang is to act, okay? So, maging courageous, magkaroon ng courage, okay? Yes, pile number 1. So, iwanan mo yung doubt mo or kung ano man yung mga past issues mo from the past, okay? Yes. So, tingnan pa natin. Love card. Unconditional love, self-love. O, diba? Oneness. 2 times na lumabas yung oneness, okay? Passion, affection, attraction, okay? Maybe it's something to do to a heartache nga eh, or heartbreak eh. Maybe, kailangan mong i-open yung heart mo to love again, or meron kasi ako nakikita na someone is in pain right now, or in a 3 of Swords na parang meron akong nakita na ayaw nang magmahal, or parang feeling niya parang puro palpak lahat yung yung nagiging, yung parang dumadaan sa buhay niya. Maybe siguro this is the time to be considerate also, okay, pile number 1. Kisses. O, diba? Unconditional love, unconditionally loving. Giving and receiving affection, falling in love. Diba? Malakas dito na nakikita ko na huwag kang matakot magmahal, huwag kang matakot na sumubok ulit. Okay? Kasi love and kisses signifies unconditional love, unconditionally loving. Okay? Giving and receiving affection, falling in love. Someone is giving someone a affection, and someone needs to receive that affection. Nakikita nyo ba, guys? Someone is giving a heart, okay, while the other one needs to receive that heart. Tingnan pa natin. The Sword and the Rose. Clarity, truth, revelation, solidarity, force, honor, protection, power. Maybe this new person is something to do with, yun nga, sabi ko nga, po pwedeng police to, po pwedeng soldier to, po pwedeng an authority person to, or may katungkulan to eh. Kasi siguro yung from the past is a young person pa, a young water sign, okay? And maybe siguro yung from the past kasi is not matured pa. While you are dealing right now is a king. Yes, a king, a leader, a matured person. Siguro meron akong nakikita dito na If you are the one who is holding on from the past, or still grieving from the past, still depressed from the past, still, alam mo yon, yung hindi ka pa maka-move on, hindi mo pa siya ma-let go, okay, you are controlling pa your emotions over the past, okay. Ang sabi dito, kung magne-next ka and not pipiliin yung ex mo, you are dealing right now with a leader or a king. Okay. Yes. This person is much matured kesa dun sa past. Maybe this person will protect you, this new person. So, tingnan pa natin sa tea leaf oracle mo. Leg, stepping into a new experience. I told you, before is you are dealing with a childish person or a young person. Not totally parang bihasa pa when it comes to love section. Okay? Not matured pa to handle a relationship. Ang sabi daw dito, you are stepping or you are experiencing a new person. Okay? It could be, if you let yourself love again, iba ngayon yung person na mamimit mo. Okay? Or makikilala mo. Malayo doon sa past. Okay? Happiness and well-being, Sun. Excitement. Protected from negative forces beyond your control. Okay. If the other person from the past not protecting you, or hindi mo nararamdaman na parang may concern sa'yo, or pinoprotektahan ka, or siguro naramdaman mo from the past na parang hindi ka secured, or parang ikaw lang yung parang nag-work, this time, the new person or this person you are dealing right now, okay, if in communication na kayo, okay, nitong person na to, this person will protect you, okay. Guys, tandaan natin, hindi naman mawawala na kada person talaga is, pwedeng sabihin natin may pagka-controlling sometimes, okay, kasi minsan ganun din naman kasi tayo, okay. So, this person will protect you. This is a leader kind of a person, okay? Be excited on your new chapter, okay? Magiging masaya ka dito, okay? Sa kung sino man yung magiging kakonect mo ngayon. So, tingnan natin sa love message oracle card mo. Pile number 1. Have faith. The angels are working behind the scene to make this relationship flourish. Okay? Maybe right now you are dealing with the fire sign. Okay? An emperor or the king of wands. You are dealing right now. This person is a leader nga, okay? An authoritative person, may authority siya. Okay? And maybe, pwedeng mapunta sa marriage. Yung connections ninyo. So, ang sabi dito, have faith. Open yourself to love. Ano yung sinabi ko? Open yourself to love. Someone needs to accept the other person. Someone needs to accept the love that the other person is given to someone, okay? So, pwede sigurong this person you are dealing right now, this person is ready to love you. Okay? You need to receive na lang. So, open yourself to love. It is safe for you to let your heart be seen. Don't be scared, okay? Pile number 1. Pay attention to signs. The synchronicities you have been noticing are not coincidence, okay? So, maybe, This reading will give you clarity, okay? Siguro, you need to act na lang. Huwag matakot. Alisin yung takot, yung fear. Kasi this is the time that kailangan ng actions, okay? Yes. Heal if you have broken. Kasi dahil sa past, okay? Kasi someone is kaya namang suklian or tumbasan yung love na kaya mong ibigay. Difficulties. Jealousies from others may serve as obstacle to the success of this connection. Oh, di ba? Po pwedeng ano ha, mahalaga kasi dito na sundin mo kung ano yung sinasabi ng sarili mo and huwag makikinig sa iba. Okay? Kasi po pwede kasing magkamali yung advice sa'yo ng iba. Kasi magkaiba naman ang bawat tao. Yung past mo, iba sa makakadil mo ngayon. Okay? So, ang sabi dito, siguro, pwedeng magkaroon ng difficulties kasi nga, pwedeng kainggitan ka kasi pwedeng emperor or merong katungkulan yung present person mo ngayon. If you choose to next. Okay? And not reconcile with the ex. Okay? Meron ako nakikita dito na some of you, possible reconciliation kung gusto makipag-reconcile sa ex. Kaso kasi, this ex of yours will give you heartache lang kasi or heartbreak. Kasi nga, ano pa to, kumbaga parang bata pa kasi to, marami pa tong kailangan matutunan. Well, the present person is a king of wands, an emperor. May katungkulan to. Mataas ang kumbaga may authority to eh. Though this is a stubborn person, yes, ano to eh, matured tong person na to eh. Kumbaga parang, ano din siya, independent din siya na kind of a person, a leader. Dito ka matututo ng mga kailangan mong matutunan. Yes, if you have alam mo yun, deep-seated issues from the past. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung advice or message sa Love Oracle. Sabi dito, embrace. Through each other, you find the missing pieces. Okay, so ano yung nasisense ko dito? Maybe this card or this message is between you and if you are dealing with a present person right now. Okay. Maybe the present person, if you choose the present, this is the missing pieces na kailangan mo. Okay. To, alam mo yun, to experience pa more sa life. Okay. Para magkaroon ng ano eh, ito yung magiging partner mo kasi. Ito yung magiging partner mo. You are a queen and this person, present person, is a king. Okay, so ito yung right match mo. While the past person, it could be, this is a knight. Hindi kayo kasi, hindi kayo parang fit from each other. Kaya, ang tendency, heartbreak lang ang mangyayari kasi the other person is immature while the other person or you, pal number one, is mature. Hindi kayo magkatagpo ng, alam mo yon, ng sa pagdidesisyon. Okay? Sana nakuha mo kung ano yung ibig ko sabihin, pal number one. Okay, so, will you be reconciled? Kung gusto mong makipag-reconcile from the past, pwede. Okay? It can be. Kaso nga, heartbreak lang ang mararanasan mo dito. Kasi, immature pa yung past. And if you are dealing with a new person, nakikita ko maganda ang mangyayari din. While, kasi this person is your perfect match, perfect fit. You are a Queen of Pentacles if you are the earth sign, okay? If you are the female or the feminine, and this person or this present person is a King of Wands or a Emperor. Okay? So, vice versa. Pwedeng this person is the Queen of Pentacles and you are the King of Wands or the Emperor, okay? So, meron ako nakikita dito, maybe you are dealing with three person. It can be, or four person. Yes? Pero kasi may nakikita kasi ako na may marriage dito in the future. So, you need to act, to heal, okay? To choose wise. Okay? To be excited. Pero, ang sabi dito, though you have jealousy from your environment or from others, ang sabi naman kasi dito is protected ka. Protected from negative forces. Okay? So, number 1, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo itong reading natin. Okay? So, nasa sayo ako makikipag-reconcile ka from the past or you will look forward from the future. You need to open yourself to love na lang, to have faith, okay? To pay attention to signs, okay? Yes. Huwag kang matakot sa unknown. Huwag kang matakot sa unknown. Huwag kang mag-stick doon sa parang kinasanayan mo. Okay? May iba siguro dito Virgo or Taurus. Virgo kasi is parang mahilig talagang mag-take care ng partner. Parang gusto niya lahat alagaan. So, okay guys, so papalam na ako, so go na ako kay pile number 2. So, maraming salamat. If di ka pa nakasubscribe, subscribe ka na. Leave a comment, show some love kay Leluna. Okay? So, meron na tayong super chat. Okay? So, soon, sasabihin ko kung ano yung criteria doon. Super thanks, super chats. Okay? And soon, magkakaroon na rin tayo ng membership. Okay? Meron ako mga i-upload na videos na yung mga member po yung early access or makakapanood nun. Okay? Or extended po, pwedeng ganon. Okay. And meron din po akong soon mamimigay ako ng cards or free cards. Okay. So abangan nyo lang yun guys. Okay. So maraming salamat. Go na ako kay pile number 2. Pile number 2. Kung ang napili mo itong Black Seahorse keychain. So, ito ang yung reading. So, ano ba yung topic natin? Will you reconcile from your ex or just next to new person? So, tingnan natin pile number 1. Uunahin natin ng iyong tarot card. And then, second natin yung open ng iyong oracle card. Okay? So, tingnan na natin agad. 3 of coins or pentacles, earth sign. 9 of cups, water sign. Queen of swords, air sign. Pile number 2, it could be you are the Queen of Swords. Matalino, fast-paced, a no BS kind of a person. You are good with your words. Wise. It could be you are a leader also. Yes. So, tingnan pa natin. Wish fulfillment, Knight of Cups. The Devil, Capricorn. Ten of Wands, fire sign. Four of Wands, fire sign again. Uy. Okay. Meron ako nakikita dito ha. Some of you pal number 2. Though you are a Queen of Swords, okay. A leader. Meron ako nakikita dito na ano, na it is something to do with a teamwork, okay. Asking help from others, okay. Hermit, Virgo. Page of Pentacles, Earth sign again. Oh, another confirmation, Three of Pentacles. Guys, pile number 2. This is something to do with a collaboration. Okay. Someone, if you are the Queen of Swords, pile number 2, you are dealing with the Page of Pentacles. This is a page. Okay. But it's something to do with the beginning also. Someone here is meron ako nakikita dito na maybe you are looking for a partner nga, pal number 2. Or someone is looking or tinitingnan ka nito kasi 9 of Cups. Okay, a wish fulfillment. Okay. Or someone wants to have a partnership with you. It's either meron ditong gusto makipag-partner up sa'yo. File number 2. This is a wealthy person. Ano to? Nakaka-entice. Enticing. May offer to sa'yo, and this is a enticing kind of an offer, okay. And this is an excellent prospect, okay. Someone wants to invest. Okay, someone wants to invest to someone. Yes. Kasi maybe nakikita niya yung isa nahihirapan. Okay. Siguro meron ka ditong kailangan pagdesisyonan, pero kailangan mong pag-isipan ng mabuti, pile number 2. Yes. You need to follow your inner guidance. Okay. Pag-isipang mabuti, pile number 2. Oo. If tatanggapin mo ba yung offer na yon, yung ibibigay sa'yo. Okay. Maybe someone wants to propose a commitment sa'yo. Yes, because this someone looks at you as a hardworking person. A determined person. Okay. This person is determined to have you, okay, as a partner. Okay. Someone sees you as a opportunity, okay? Kasi nakita niya siguro na you're a very wise person. Pero siguro kailangan mo kailangan mong reflect if you will choose this offer, pile number 2. Pwedeng reconciliation to, pile number 2 ha. It could be a reconciliation to someone from the past, or a new person, or a new offer, okay, na may receive mo. Tingnan natin sa luminous mo. First house, self. Uy. Meron ako nakikita dito na some of you, this is it can be a door, okay, or this offer, if you choose to to accept this, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng a new outlook in life, okay? This is a new opportunity. May nakikita ko new opportunity. Or a start of something new, okay? Or meron ako nakikita dito siguro you need to know yourself more, okay? Or know someone muna before you let someone enter your life. Yes. Whether it is a good offer, or a good person, a wealthy person. Kasi this person or this offer is enticing, okay? Oo. Pwedeng nakakaakit, nakaka-tempt, okay? Oo. Pwede sigurong study first this person, kilalanin mo munang mabuti, okay? Magkaroon ka muna ng self-reflection before buksan mo yung sarili mo sa person. May nakuha ako dito na ganon. So, tingnan natin sa energy mo. Uy, the thinking man making a decision. Number 46. Maybe, you are the one na kailangan na magdesisyon. Okay? Kailangan mong mag-make decision over someone, over something. Or this person is yung kailangan mag-decide over you. Okay? If i-offer ba niya. It could be vice versa, guys. So, tingnan natin. Phoenix and soulmates. Okay. Okay. So, this is a new paste. Okay. New paste of yours na. Pile number 2. A new phase in your life. Meron ako nakuha dito about partnership, okay? A partnership, soulmate, okay? Someone wants to offer you a commitment, okay? Meron ditong gustong manligaw sa'yo, gusto kang maging partner in life, maging asawa, renew someone or renew a connection, okay? Rekindle someone, rekindle emotion, okay? It could be you are the one who is need to have a decision or this person is kailangan mag-decide. Oo. Pero kasi may negative ako dito, maybe you are taking your time. Or this person is taking his time. Nagso-soul search. Pero magkakaroon dito ng new phase. O, meron dito magkakaroon ng new phase. Maybe you are pile number 2 yung magkakaroon ng new phase sa love. Maybe nga may marirekindle dito or marireconcile. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Sa tea leaf mo. Horseshoe. Good luck. Card. Egg. Success assured with good plans and hard work. I told you. Dagger. Fear, worries, tense situation. Ring. A marriage will take place either romantic or business. I told you. Okay, maybe this person is thinking, okay, or having a worries or a fear, okay, to offer you a commitment, a partnership, okay? Maybe magkakaroon kayo ng chance to rekindle, to reconcile with a soulmate. Maybe this is from the past or a new person. It could be, Maybe this person is planning, okay? Planning, soul searching, has an introspection, okay? How to offer you a commitment or to approach you. Kasi nga, you are a Queen of Swords. You are a no BS kind of a person. You are a nonsense kind of a person. A no nonsense, okay? And maybe this person is worry, okay? Or nagkakaroon siya ng fear to offer this to you. Kasi nga, alam niyang no BS ka. Alam niyang kapag nagkamali siya, ikakat mo siya agad. Yes? And a marriage will take place. Either romantic or business. Okay, so guys, sana nakukuha ninyo yung reading. So, meron kang makukuha dito or someone is nag-iisip na may i-offer sa'yo. thinking or nagpaplano na mag-offer sa'yo either a marriage or a business, okay? Pero this person is nagkakaroon ng takot or worries. Nag-iisip kung paano niya i-offer sa'yo. Kasi nga, alam niya na mamaya baka hindi pa sa'yo ubra or hindi pa sasapat yung i-offer niya. Okay? Mamaya baka hindi sumapat, tas i-cut off mo siya agad. Pwedeng ganun, masayang lang yung chance, okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Sa love message oracle card mo. Unrequited feelings. There is not enough love to keep this relationship going in a healthy way, okay? Maybe this person, nararamdaman niya na parang baka magkaroon ng unrequited feelings dito. Kasi, you are a queen. Okay? And maybe, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, this is a page. Mamaya hindi sumapat. Kaya nag-iisip tong mabuti, nagpa-plan tong person na to. Kinikilala ka nitong mabuti. Oo. Pinag-aaralan ka niyang mabuti. Kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ano yung kailangan mo, kung ano yung mga need mo sa life mo, okay? This someone is planning mabuti. Nothing has gone wrong. Trust the process. This connection is divinely timed. Okay? So, kung ano man yung mangyari sa'yo, or what I mean is kung ano man yung mag-take place or ma-receive mong offer, trust it kasi this is divinely guided. Okay? So, this person is divinely guided to offer you something. Okay? Yes. So, it is fated. Kasi this is your soulmate. It is fated na this someone offer you something. Okay? Or maybe bigay to sa'yo. Okay? Or may ipopropose to sa'yo. Fated yun na mangyari. Okay? Make the effort. This love is worth taking risk. You are called to move forward. Okay. So, vice versa, guys. Maybe this person, alam niya na kailangan niyang paghirapan ka, pag-aralan kang mabuti, magbigay siya sa'yo ng talagang magandang offer, mag-offer ng talagang, alam mo yon yung talagang hindi mo mahihindian. Okay, kasi alam niya na you are worthy of it. Okay, alam niya kasi you are a queen. Okay, pile number 2. Yes. You are a wish fulfillment. Deserving of it. Okay, deserving the effort. New love. Oy, confirmation. This is a new person. Or it can be a rekindle or a reconciliation. A new chapter begins, whether it is with a new partner or in a current relationship. Confirmation, guys. Okay. A new chapter. This is a new beginning. Okay. A new rekindle, a reconciliation. It's either, so whether it is from a new person or a current relationship or from the past. Okay. A confirmation. This is a confirmation, guys. So, tingnan natin sa yung love message. Another love message. Balance. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. Oh, di ba? Kapag gusto mo ng isang person, talagang may mga challenges talaga kasi. Okay? So, love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both support and challenges. You are a challenge to this person, pile number 2. And alam naman niya yun, na deserve mo naman yun. Kasi you are a queen. And this person is talagang mag-o-offer to ng hindi mo mahihindian. Okay. Kasi pinag-aaralan ka nito, kinikilatis ka nito. This is your soulmate. So, number 2, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. Itong reading na to. Will you reconcile? 100% possible, okay? Pwedeng this is a new love or a current relationship or from the past. So, kahit ano doon. Basta meron kang new phase, this is a new phase, a new relationship, a rekindle, a reconciliation. An offer from a new person, a current lover, or from the past, okay? Pero malakas dito nakikita ko, it is from a current relationship or a new love. Okay, na mag-o-offer sa'yo. Okay. So, soon. So, guys, kung nag-resonate sa'yo to, please do subscribe. Leave a comment. Okay. Show some love kay Leluna. Okay. Don't skip ad. Okay. So, maraming salamat sa panonood, guys. Happy weekend. Happy Sunday. So, patuloy nyo pong abangan yung mga aking soon upload pa. Marami po kayong aabangan dito. Meron tayong super chat. Okay. Shout out. So, marami pa po. Okay, so, maraming salamat, guys. God bless sa inyo. Sana i-bless kayo ni Lord sa patuloy pong nanonood. Okay. So, papaalam na ako, guys. Maraming salamat. Pwede kang manood ng file number 1 kung di nag-resonate sa itong file number 2. Baka meron kang message doon. Okay. So, happy weekend. Bye!